Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a straight comb. This is one of the basic combs and I would heartily recommend that you know your kind of standard combs, a comb, a left-handed comb, a lady comb, before you try a straight comb. It's just a little bit more tricky. And we're just using some simple stuff to give you a setup for it and a way out, because generally straight combs tend to happen in the middle of other things. Links to those in the description if you want to go back. In fact, I'll stick a link to the video with all the basic 16 combs in so you can understand all the naming and all the rest of it as well. Looks like this. Go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Fairly simple stuff. So let's break it down. We're going to go semicircle and back, two hands. We're going to come in, we're going to flatten the left. It feels a little bit like you're setting up a Wurlitzer, except we're actually not going to be making a barrier in the right hand. We're going to push the lady as if you're going to do a push spin, but we're not going to let go with the right hand. We go over the lady, round we go. We're going to be underneath at this point, guys. As the lady's coming around, we're going to take our elbow over to the left. We're making a loop here on the right hand side to go over the guy's head. So it feels a lot like a left-handed comb, but in mirror image. We go over, we're going to slide out, and as we come out, we're going to drop the hand down to the left to do a prep, return spin and back. You could take an extra count for that. You could step back and then do the prep. Generally, by the time you're ready for doing things like straight combs, you're probably more skilled than core intermediate level, which means you may as well do the prep on the way back and save the standing around time. Let's do the same thing from the other side and we'll talk numbers. So we go back to two hands. 1, flatten the left. 2, turn the lady. 3, comb the guy. 4, out and prep. 5, return spin. 6, and catch 7. And that's the whole thing. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a straight comb. You go a back, flat, turn, comb, prep, spin and back. And that's the whole thing. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it works well for you out on the dance floor. But yeah, the straight comb, with a bit of experience, it's good for putting in the middle of things like maybe octopuses or other things where you already got that set up with the hands. Music recommendation on the end, as always. One of the windows that comes up in the last few seconds is a link to a music video, which is a tune good to dance this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.